Hi, I'm Chief Machinista. Our topic will be fuel injectors. In the case of remarkable decrease of valve opening pressure and dripping of fuel oil is found as a result of fuel injection test, conduct disassembly and inspection. Let's start with the disassembly procedure. Loosen and remove the cap nut. Loosen the lock nut. Loosen the adjusting screw. Loosen the nozzle retaining nut. If the retaining nut is turned while the adjusting screw is still tightened, it causes damage to nozzle and fuel oil injection valve parts. Next, remove the nozzle cap nut or the retaining nut. Next, remove the nozzle. Since the nozzle and the needle bulbs appear functioning together, be minded not to replace either of them separately. Next, remove the dowel pins. Remove the spacer. Remove the knock pins for the spacer. Remove the push rod. Remove the nozzle spring. Remove the nozzle spring set. Lastly, remove the adjusting screw from the fuel oil injection valve housing. And that completes the disassembly procedure. Use clean oil to clean fuel oil injection valve parts. Next, assembly procedure of fuel oil injection valve. Number 1. Screw back the adjusting screw. Insert the nozzle spring set. Insert back the nozzle spring. Insert back the push rod. Install back the dowel pins for the spacer. Install back the distance piece or the spacer. Install back the dowel pins for the nozzle. Install back the nozzle. Next, apply lubricant on the holder housing thread and the seating surface of the retaining nut on the nozzle. Next, screw back the retaining nut onto the holder housing. Insert new O-rings. Next, tighten the retaining nut according to the specified torque. Do not tighten the retaining nut over the specified torque value. It may cause sticking of the needle valve of the nozzle. Then mount the fuel oil injection valve on the testing device. Use appropriate personal protective equipment during testing. High pressure may cause injury. These are the items to check during testing. Number 1. Check that no oil is dripping from the nozzle. Number 2. Check fuel oil valve opening pressure. Number 3. Check the spray pattern. If all testing conditions are normal, tighten the lock nut of the adjusting screw. Then install back the cap nut. When should you consider replacing the fuel injector nozzle? Number 1. Check if there is no dripping down of fuel oil from the tip of the nozzle after the injection test. Number 2. Pressure is below the specified opening pressure and cannot be increased. Number 3. The nozzle needle sticking are too loose due to overtime usage. To check, push in and push out the needle valve with your hand and check the movement. Lastly, irregular spray pattern. And that completes the job maintenance mga kabaro. Until next time.